Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create an arrow pattern plot using Python. So, firstly we'll import the necessary libraries. So matplot is used to generate numerical data efficiently and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting and visualization. So now we'll create the grid of points for making an arrow pattern plot. So here np.meshGrid generates a grid of x and y which coordinates in the range 0 to 9, and np.arrange creates a sequence from 0 to 9 in which step size is 1, and this results in 10 into 10 grid. And now we'll define the arrow direction. So here u is equals to np.cosx. The x component of the arrow is calculated using cosx, meaning arrow direction in the x-axis varies based on x, and v is equals to np.siny. The y component of the arrow is calculated using sin y, meaning the arrow direction in the y-axis varies based on y. So now we'll create figure and plot for the arrows. So for that we'll write so this creates a 6 into 6 inch figure. So here x, y, u and v are the position of arrows on the grid, and u and v are the arrow direction. And angles is equals to xy ensures arrow follow a Cartesian coordinate system, and scale unit xy ensures correct arrow scaling, and scale is equals to 2 adjusts the arrow size, and color is equals to b sets the arrow color to blue. So now we'll set axis limits and labels for the plot. So for that we'll write so this defines the x-axis and y-axis limits from -1 to 10 for better visualization. And now we'll add a suitable title to the plot. So this adds a suitable title to the plot, and now we'll set the labels. So this sets title and axis label to describe the plot, and now we'll enable the grid line for better readability. And at last we'll display the plot. So this displays the plot, and now we can check this. And now we can check, hence we can see an arrow pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.